to another tool description to review. This time we're gonna go to the Wickedbackgrounds. It's made by Gabriel Perales, a JavaScript developer. He has many different tools and projects besides this one. Wickedbackgrounds was third product of the day in 2021, and I've been telling a little bit more about the design projects or tools that you can use for your projects, for your backgrounds and illustrations, and this is another one. Also, it's free. You can use it, and there's no price, so everything is for free. Actually, they changed this website the last time I was here, and it's pretty straightforward how to use it. So here you can launch editor. It's free. Yeah, let's go. You can pick a color. So it's the color that is gonna base all the waves. And let's put it, for example, green. And you can choose the angle, so it goes automatically. You can choose if it's lighten or darken, the color mode, spin. So basically it spins a little bit. It takes a different color than what it has, and then you can put less waves. Like this is a full background with one color, but you can make as many colors as you want. This like rainbow style. Also with the curves, you can make it more straightforward or as more curves as you want. So here let's just change a little bit and put a different color. And you go. You have a different. Let's reduce the waves. Yeah, lighten. Yeah, you have a different, completely different background. You can copy the SFG, the vector, and you also can download in SFG and PNG. And here you can see how it looks vertical, and there's many different views that you can see how it looks in iPad and Ultra HD. I think they don't have Android. No. But yeah, so this is the basic of this tool. Like I said, it's for free. You can use it. Gabriel Perales, it's the who creates this tool. And see you next time for another tool. Bye.